Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up or set up or create your Venmo account. In order to do this, you first have to download and install the Venmo mobile application in your device. Then you just have to tap on it in order to launch it. Once you do this, the interface of this application will look something like this, where you will be asked which type of account you want to create on Venmo, whether it is a personal account or a business account. So you can select your personal account, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose the personal account and then click on this sign up button in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on this verify phone number page, where you need to provide your phone number in this section and then you need to press the send code button. Afterwards, you need to just enter the 4-digit code that they have sent you on the mobile number that you have registered, and after entering that code, you need to press the submit button. After doing so, you will be redirected on the home page of Venmo, which simply means that you have successfully registered on Venmo. Now, if you want to link your email address and create a strong password for your account, then you just have to go to the settings in your account, and from there you just have to provide your personal details like your name, then your email address and your password. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.